In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a shopping wish list system in Notion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to notion.com. If you already have an account, sign into your workspace. If you're new, follow the prompts to create one and you'll land on your home screen. Everything we're doing works the same whether you're on the web or the desktop app. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation menu and click Templates. This opens Notion's library of pre-built setups that you can use as a starting point instead of building from scratch. It's a great way to save time while still ending up with a system you can customize. At the top of the Templates page, use the search bar and type Shopping Wishlist System, then press Enter. Notion will filter the results so you can see options related to shopping wish lists. Give the thumbnails a moment to load and then scan through the choices so you can get a sense of the different layouts and styles available. When you find a template that fits your taste, maybe you prefer a clean table layout or a more visual gallery, click into it to preview. Check for helpful properties like price, store, link, priority, and tags. Once you're happy with your choice, click Add. Notion will add the template straight to your workspace, and you may be prompted to select which workspace if you have more than one. Back in your sidebar, you'll see the new wishlist page. Click it to open. You now have a working system, and the fun part begins. Tailoring it to you. Rename columns to match your shopping habits and add properties you care about, like a checkbox for purchased, a number field for price, a select field for category, or a URL for product links. Create views that make browsing easy. Try a table for quick editing, a gallery for product images, or a board grouped by category or priority. You can also sort by priority or price and filter to show only items you haven't purchased yet. If reminders help, add a date property and set notifications for sales or restock dates. To watch price changes, create a number property for current price and another for target price, then sort by the difference. If you like tracking history, keep a simple note on when and where you bought an item. Continue refining as you use it. The beauty of Notion is that you can adjust anytime without losing data. When you're happy, start adding items, checking them off as you go, and enjoy a more organized shopping process. That's it. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.